and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make some 4th of July slime. Now because 4th of July is right around the corner, I thought it would be super fun to make some 4th of July themed slimes, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so as always before we start, I'm going to take you down to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies, but first I'm going to show you the guinea pigs. Moving on, now I'm going to take you over to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies, and I am going to be using all sorts of kinds of different ingredients, so I'm just going to quickly show you what I'm going to be using. So here's the very first 4th of July slime that I'm going to be making. So this one is a red, white, and blue spiral butter slime, topped off with an American flag and some super fun star-shaped glitters. So to start off with the first 4th of July slime, I'm going to go ahead and pour my desired amount of white school glue into the bowl. Next, to make the slime super nice and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some shaving cream. Next, to make the slime super soft and extra stretchy, I'm going to go ahead and mix in a couple pumps of lotion. Now it's time to give the slime that super nice bright red color. As you probably saw earlier in the video, this is a 3-layered slime, so to make the first layer, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some red food coloring. And now it's time to activate the slime. For the activator recipe, I use 1 cup of hot water and dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of borax. Make sure to add your activator slowly so you don't end up with a stiff slime. So now to turn this into a super nice and soft butter slime, I'm going to go ahead and mix in 1/2 brick of Daiso clay. So now that the first layer of slime is all completed, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the second layer. So to make the second layer of slime, I went ahead and repeated all the exact same steps as I did earlier, but instead of making a red slime, I'm not going to add any food coloring because it is going to be a white slime. And finally, it's time to make the last layer of slime. So once again, I'm going to follow all the exact same steps as I did earlier, but instead of making a white slime, I'm going to make a really pretty blue slime. And finally, now that all 3 layers of slime are all completed, I'm going to take a section from each slime and I'm going to twirl each color together. And finally, to top off the slime, I'm going to be using some red and blue glitter, a super cute American flag that I found from Michael's, and some star-shaped glitters. So here's the first 4th of July slime all completed. This slime turned out really nice. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It turned out super soft and buttery, it's super creamy and spreadable, and it's just so much fun to play with. I love how all the 3 layers are swirled together, and this slime was just a lot of fun to make. So here's the next 4th of July slime that I'm going to be making. So this one is a red, white, and blue clear slime with some white foam beads and a bunch of red, white, and blue glitters. So to start off with this next slime, I'm going to go ahead and add my desired amount of clear glue into the bowl. Now it's time to give the slime that super nice bright red color. As you probably saw earlier, this is a 3-layered slime, so I'm going to go ahead and mix in some red food coloring to make the first layer. Next, to make the slime super nice and sparkly, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some red glitter. Now it's time to activate the slime, and again the activator recipe is 1 cup of hot water and dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of borax. Make sure to add your activator slowly so you don't end up with a stiff slime. And now it's time to give the slime that super nice and crunchy texture, so I'm going to go ahead and mix in some white foam beads that I found from the dollar store. Now it's time to make the second layer of slime, so I'm going to go ahead and follow all the exact same steps as I did earlier. Now because I don't have any white food coloring, I'm going to be using this really nice white pigment that I found from Amazon. And finally, it's time to make the last layer of slime. So once again, I'm going to follow all the exact same steps as I did earlier, but instead of making a white slime, I'm going to make a really pretty blue slime. Now it's time for the super fun part where I get to layer the slime. So I'm going to go ahead and take a piece of each section and I'm going to layer them side by side. And finally, to top off the slime, I'm going to be using some blue and red glitter, and I'm also going to be using some star-shaped glitters as well. So here's the last 4th of July slime all completed. This slime turned out really nice. It has a really nice bubble pops. It's super stretchy and crunchy, and it's just a lot of fun to play with. I love how each color is layered side by side, and I just had a lot of fun with this one. guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you guys would like to check out my Instagram page, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!